Hello guys, in 1 minute I'm going to show you how you can watch TikTok videos offline without using your internet data. Watch TikTok videos without your internet. So the first thing you're going to do is open your TikTok app. So when you open your TikTok application, so the next thing you are going to do right here after that is to click on your profile icon over here, guys. Your profile icon. When you click on your profile, so this will open up for you. So you click on this part over here. Sorry guys, you click on this. You click on this. After that, you click on this arrow. So after that, after clicking on this arrow, you'll see offline videos. You click on offline videos. So click on offline videos. So after clicking on offline videos, so you'll be brought over to this option. It says download videos to watch offline. They'll be refreshed with new connection when you are on your next connected to Wi-Fi. So you have choices. You have 50 videos, you have 100 videos, you have 150 videos, you have 200 videos. So you have given you the storage amount it will consume. We have 27 MB for the 50 video, we have 70 MB for the 100 videos margin. We have 150 video margins for 100 MB. We have 200 videos margin for 150 MB. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. All you have to click is download button and you get started. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to this channel for TikTok tips and tricks. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.